Stock time here at Unique Specialty and Classics. It's a 1964 Oldsmobile Cutlass convertible. Error correct, 330 V8 underneath the hood. That's paired up with an automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic 350 to be exact. Nicely equipped with power steering, power brakes. Let's take a look at the front chrome and bright work. Grille. Tahitian yellow K paint coat on this car. Interior is new with the red vinyl and bucket seats. Check out the still pictures. You'll be able to see that interior, underside, engine bay, trunk, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. If you're seeing it on YouTube, that's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on the red striped BF Goodrich radial tires, American Racing 5-spoke wheels. You can see disc brakes up front there. Let's go ahead and take a look down this passenger side. This does have a power top. It is a black Hearts replacement top. Nice shape. We're going to show you that functioning. Put the top up. Check out the condition of that too towards the end of this video. Speaking of the end of the video, stick around to the very end. We're going to take this car for a drive. Get the camera in it, take you for a virtual ride, if you will, show you how it goes down the road. And you can see passenger side free of any major nicks, dings, scratches. Like I said, newer vinyl interior, so that's in good shape. Bucket seats up front, center console. We'll get around to that in a second. Get over to the driver's side, we'll check it out a little closer. I want to show you this too. It does come with the convertible top cover. There were a few of the clips that need a little care replacement, but nice shape, matches the interior as far as the vinyl and everything on it. But I wanted to show it to you with these on it. I haven't seen these before. Kind of like a safety strap that latches to the trim just like the convertible top cover would, and keep the top from going up. Kind of cool. Don't see that a whole lot. Take a look at the chrome in the rear. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. You know, if you like these vehicles out of the 60s, maybe muscle cars out of the 70s, maybe you like the old classics from the 20s and 30s, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see pop up on here. These vehicles are available to purchase on our website or showroom floor when the videos are getting done, and there's videos uploaded daily. And like I said, it could be anything from the early 1900s all the way up to recent models, or maybe some high horsepower specialty vehicles. You never know. As we take a look at the driver's side here, also in nice shape. You can see the paint's not full of nicks, dings, or scratches. Those panels are nice and straight. Previous owner stated the engine was recently tuned up. Also has a new battery. One of the techs mentioned the odometer was in op, just so you know too. There you get a good look at the vinyl rear seat, free of rips, tears, holes. Same as the front. Carpeting also in nice shape. Seat belts intact up front. Door panels looking good. Wood steering wheel. As far as the interior, I have had the blower motor work, the wipers work, radio work. All good there. Let's start it up. So you can hear it run. We'll check out the engine bay. Fuel gauge came up, as you can see. Let's try this radio. Radio working. Aftermarket tack. Aftermarket tack under the dash. Oil pressure. Both of those working. Again, 330 error correct V8, top of the dash looks good. Door closes nicely, fits well too. Slip around to the back so you can hear this run. Nothing crazy over the top for exhaust. Good sounding dual exhaust on it. go ahead and slip up to the front. I'm going to get this hood open. Let's check out that engine bay. Then we'll put the top up. Look at the condition of that. You'll be able to see how it functions going up and down. And stick around to the very end of this video. We're going to take this car for a drive. Don't forget. All right, something I wanted to note too. I didn't know if you've noticed it when I was going through the grill in the front end, but I did want to point it out. A little bit of stress cracks. You can see those in that paint right there, and the Oldsmobile lettering. Want to let you know about that. Nothing real major. Still a fun car. Get in, drive it. Local roll-ins, cruise-ins, top down. Enjoy the nice weather. All right, 330. Mentioned that before. Air correct, power steering, power brake. Rochester 4-barrel on it. And it appears we got a new distributor cap, plug wires. That could have been in the tune-up previous owner talked about. Battery disconnect over here. When it's in storage or in between drives, you'll be able to see the data plate, the VIN plate, all in the still pictures. It's like a newer alternator. So some upkeep done on this car. It was their pride and joy. Like to drive it, take it to shows. Now it's time for the next owner to do the same. All right, let me get this set up. I'm gonna close that hood up so we can see the top better. I'll get those straps undone. And let's check out the function of the top going up, see the condition of it, and go from there. So you got to see how the top goes up. Now let's take a look at its condition here. All latched up. Nice tight fit above the windshield. And it's obviously a newer top. Nice fabric top. Rolled up the side glass. You can see how that fits. This is a glass rear window. And I did zip that up. So it's in there tight. Free of rips, tears, holes, really any discoloring, anything like that. It's, like I said, looking pretty new. Just a little slight fray on the edge there. That's being awful fussy. And passenger side glass up also. No surprises on the top anyway. That's looking good. So we'll go ahead and show you the function of that going back down. We'll wrap up this walk around video and stick around to the very end. Remember, we're going to take it for a drive, see how it goes down the road. And there's the top functioning up and down. 1964 Oldsmobile Cutlass convertible. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1964 Oldsmobile Cutlass convertible. We do have the top up today. This is an automatic, right down on the center console. We have auto gauge tachometer mounted to that console, and under the dash, a water temperature gauge. Factory radio.
There's no American Idol this Sunday.
Is working good. Speedometer working. Wipers work on this. Blower motor also works. Fuel gauge is reading about 1/4 of a tank. Nice wood steering wheel with finger grips. In the rally style. Always like that style. Speedometer is wavering a lot, but it looks like it gives you the ballpark. Yeah, slips a little bit. You can see that. Carbureted seats all looks in good condition. Nice road manners. You do have your typical winter wind noise on a convertible from the 60s. Not bad. Brakes are working very well. Feels like power steering and power brakes. It's got corners nicely. It's not leaning too much. Easy to steer. These quarter windows give a little bit of wind noise. Sometimes they're easier when they're open. There. Very nice condition car. Feels nice and solid on the road. If you want to take a look at all the pictures and learn more about this car at uniqueclassiccars.com.